Hello guys, welcome back. In this video let's have a look on the color sampler tool in the toolbox. So if you could see here, we got color sampler tool. Okay, so when I choose that, we have point sample option and we have clear all option. And when I start picking this color sampler and then start clicking on the canvas, now I've clicked here and I'm clicking here, so I can start clicking as many as points here, but let's see what is the maximum it goes there. So if you could see, I've placed 10 points, and after 10 the sampler has end that dropping the sample points. Okay, now we got 10 different points. I've placed it here. Okay, I can move it anywhere I wanted them to. Okay, so if you feel that one of these points is maybe you want to remove that point, you can just hold alt and just click on that point, and you can start deleting that points, and you can move that points anywhere you wanted. Now what happened with that is, when I've just start placing the points here, there is a info window or panel which has popped up, and this panel has been showing me the number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 8 points RGB color information here. Okay, so you could see the RGB values of that particular thing. Now what happens if this is there? Let's say if you have modified this image and you want to see what is the change you're getting there, you can see the RGB values getting affected, that from what is previously there and what is the current change of value, what's happening here. Okay, and also if you could I mean, it is only for you to better understand what's going on with your image. And next thing is, you have the clear all option, which you can just click and then clear everything what you have here. And we have the point sample. If I just choose 11 by 11 average, it is going to average 11 pixel grid, square grid. Let me show you, go closer there. So you got that grid, isn't it? So 11 pixels width and 11 pixels height, it averages that into one color, and that color is going to be the sampled color. Okay, it doesn't choose that specific pixel actually, so it averages a range of colors, which will be generally used when you know things are too much fluctuating, too noisy picture, and you're not able to pick the right tone. Then averaging is great use there.